Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
It's my pleasure to introduce now, in their first live appearance for goodness knows how long in front of an audience, the Beatles.
Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how I play Day Tripper by the Beatles on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and we'll first learn the opening riff of the song. That'll sound something like this. In order to play that riff, we're going to go to the open low E string, fret 3, fret 4, then we'll go to the A string, fret 2, the D string, fret 2, the open D string, back to the A string, fret 2, the D string, fret 4, the A string, fret 2, the open D string, and then fret 2. So here it is again. We will also be playing that same riff starting with the A string, like this. And then we'll go right back to the low E string and play it. Now that's what guitar 1 will play. Guitar 2 will play the chords, and most of the chords are 7 or dominant 7 chords, like E7. Let's go over the chords we'll need to play. We'll need an E7. We're playing that by placing a finger on the A string, fret 2, and the G string, fret 1, strumming all the strings. An A7, placing a finger on the D string, fret 2, and the B string, fret 2, strumming from the A string. We'll need an F sharp 7 chord played this way. For that one, we're going to bar the 2nd fret and put a finger on the A string, fret 4, and the G string, fret 3. We're going to raise that for a G sharp 7. Now we're barring fret 4. We'll also need to play an A7 at fret 5. We'll come down to a C sharp 7 played this way. For that one, I'm barring fret 4 from the A string down, bringing a finger into the D string, fret 6, and the B string, fret 6. That's C sharp 7. We'll lower that by 2 frets for a B7. And we'll also need to play a B7 suspended 4 by taking that little finger and raising it by 1 fret. And those are the chords we're going to need. Here's how we'll play the song. We'll start with an E7 and we'll strum like this. That's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We'll be able to strum that way throughout the entire song. We'll start the song with an E7 chord, strumming this way. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out now. A7. Got a good reason. Back to E7 for taking the easy way out now. F sharp 7. She was a day tripper, a one-way ticket, yeah. A7, up the neck. It took me so G sharp 7 long to find out. C sharp 7, B7, but I found out. Then back to our riff. Or your chord, E7. So here's how it should sound. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out now. Got a good reason for taking the easy way out now. She was a day tripper, a one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so find out, but I found out. Now for the bridge, we'll go to our B7 chord and move to our B7 suspended 4 chord, like that. So it's going to be played this way. Going to do that for 12 bars, and then we'll go back to our E7 chord, but it's now while that's going on, guitar is going to play this. And that's played by going to fret 7 on the low E string, fret 5 to 6 on the A string, fret 4 on the D string, the G string, fret 7 on the D string, back to fret 4 on the D string, fret 6 on the G string, back to fret 4 on the D string, fret 7, and end at fret 4 on the G string. So that's well, my friends, that's how I play Day Tripper by the Beatles on guitar. And you can play this the same exact way on acoustic or electric guitar. There's no difference whatsoever. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.